mga kuan ba, dili man gud kay sugod. These are recovering communities from different rehabilitation centers, residential treatment. So, nalain nga group. And others are not in the rehabilitation centers, but they are fellowships. For the fellowship, this not apil ang labang, good, one malalay nga. So, one good siya. This is first time ever nga gipundok nato ang tanan nga tao nga naningkamot pag-recover from addiction. So, initiate din siya sa Catholic Charismatic Communities and Sugod. Because kung charismatic communities alone lang, wakan sila connection. So, the Sugod was the connection to the recovering communities. So, this is the first time ever nga itong himo.
So, there will be another what? Mayroon ba siyang monthly?
Yes, this will be a monthly thing para ang katong mga walay communities na sila support group na manian. No, katong mga who are just suffering in silence ng addiction and they need help, they need God in their lives, they can come. This is a special prayer meeting for those who are in recovery.
This has been very successful church-initiated program. What could be the key to the success of this program?
Actually, it is, ako na, the recovering people here, Rene here, we have in our group, in So Good, we have people who have connection sa mga, Islam community, actually, nga maoy nag-invite aning mga naa sa recovering communities. So joint effort yun ni. So that's why we find this very successful because we were able to invite them to come despite the fact that we can sila sa lanay ng group.
For the benefit of those from other provinces, ma'am,
yes.
What are the factors that lead to this success of your program?
Thank you for that. Actually, that is what I'm thinking because this big day could be replicated in other provinces. If there are recovering communities who are willing to come together with the assistance, because this is a church initiated. So, para nako, it will be led by the charismatic groups and then invite the recovering communities together. They can make a big day in their place.
So about sa Sugod, we are already in the second year. Isa ang pananaw padayon pa ba na? And then, sa pa yung mga innovation kang may kalima?
Ang sa Sugod, we will be having our Sugod Batch 15 this coming September 3 to 8. So this is also my way of inviting those katong nagkinahanglan og tabang. Libre ni nga programa alang ni adto buot magpatabang silang recovery, ilang addiction matabangan sila. 6 days program. Ato sa Love of God Center Yati Liluan, and then ang Sugod after this 6 days after the 2 years na nato nga pag-exist nakakam up na mi og daghan nga program, no. Now we will go to addiction prevention awareness ato sa mga schools, mga establishments, mga government officials. Nihatag mi og services para family pastoral services. Nihatag mi og mga skills training. Nihatag sa diog training alang ni adtong mga gusto mo mahimong recovery ko. Doon natin training paghimon alang ni adtong gusto mo mahimong recovery recovery facilitator or recovery coach.
Our successful program, does this prove that there is another way of implementing the war on drugs?
Yes, this is the real message of Big Day. The real message of Big Day is to tell the public that there is killing is not the only way to solve addiction. Recovery is our way to solve addiction, not killing.